In this section, we're going to look at how to create blog posts. Now, so far, we've just simply created pages. You can see them up here. So we've got the home page, the About Us page, services, FAQ, sitemap, gallery, and contact us. What we're now going to do is create some blog posts. So if I go to the back end, up till now, when we want to create new pages, we've gone to pages and add new. What we're going to do now is create some blog posts. So we go to post, add new. Now, to all intents and purposes, this looks more or less the same as when we were creating pages, but there are subtle differences. I'm going to give this the title. I'll just call it Jan, short for January. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of that fake Latin, and I'm just going to pop that in here. Now, everything that we've done for pages is kind of the same. So let's say I want to insert, say, a picture here. I can go to Add Block, go to Image, go to the Media Library, select the picture, maybe the elephant there, select that one, and there we go. To publish it, you just click on Publish, and then Publish again to confirm it. So the January post, not page, the January post is now live. If you want to create a new one, I'm going to create 3 of them. I'll go to Posts, Add New, and we'll call this one FEB, short for February. And again, I'll just put some sample pretend text in there. And this time what I'm going to do is create a gallery. So just like working with pages. So I'll select these pictures here, create new gallery, insert the gallery, and there we go. So far it all looks very, very similar. So let's publish this one. That's published. We'll do one more. So we go to Posts, Add New. You guessed it, I'm going to call this March. And again, I'll just put some sample text in and maybe a picture. Publish. In a very similar fashion to working with pages, if I go to Posts, All Pages, or All Posts rather, you can see here are my 3 posts, January, February and March. So that's how we create them. The trouble is, if we go to the front end, there's no sign of these 3 posts. If you remember, when we created new pages, we had to go into Appearance and add them to the menu system up here. So in the next chapter, we'll see how to create a page which will display our blog posts. I know it sounds confusing, so we create a page to display the posts.